So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to have custom line spacing here on Google Docs. So if I were to type in custom line spacing like this and then copy it a few times, I believe my current line spacing is 2 or double space. Now, if you want to change this to like a specific number, like maybe 1.3 or whatever, highlight the entire text, go to the top right, and if you guys press on this option right here, so where it says line and paragraph spacing, go down to where it says custom spacing right here and then type in a number. So for example, if you want your spacing to be 1.34 or whatever, go ahead, type in that, press apply, and then your spacing will look like that. Once again, you can also go to the top left, press format, line and paragraph spacing, press custom spacing like this, select your spacing, press apply, and then proceed that way with it. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to have custom line spacing on Google Docs. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.